Hello, vintage outboard and motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana. Today I'm making a video on a repair job I'm doing on a stuck thermostat cover. So here's one of my latest restores I'm working on. It is restore number 92 for BJ. It's a 1966 Evinrude 9.5 horsepower model 9622, and I got her all put together, started her up and put her in the barrel, and she was not circulating water. So I had apparently neglected to change the thermostat, which is a mistake on my part. I normally do that on every restore. I missed this one. So when I went to remove the cover, here's the 3 screws. I took the 3 screws off and the thermostat cover would not pop out. So I started prying the cover off and it would not come off. So I've chiseled off all 3 ears here, and it's apparently stuck. So I'm going to try to remove the stuck thermostat and replace it with one I have on one of my spare power heads. So I thought I'd make a video of that process, and hopefully it won't damage the threads or the housing and make this power head useless. Otherwise I'll have to take it all apart and swap and put that power head on BJ's restore. So I'm going to document it, see how that comes along. If everybody's ready, here we go. So first thing I want to do is remove this thermostat cover. So I took the 3 screws off and just tapped on it lightly with a little ball peen hammer, and it came out. That's what it's supposed to do. That's what did not happen on this one. So this part right here is stuck on the inside. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a drill. I'm going to drill a hole in the center here and try to drill all that out so I can tap on it and make it cave in and get that inner part out of there. Let's see how that works. So I decided I'm going to take my DeWalt drill. I'm going to start and drill a pilot hole with a bit, and then use this bit to wallow it out. I think I'm going to start with about a 5/32. I'm going to start off drilling a 5/32 hole in it and see how that works. Alright, I drilled the 5/32 hole in it, but I'm hitting the thermostat underneath there. So I think instead of using my enlarging bit, I'm going to just upsize this to a bigger bit and try to get this hole bigger. Okay, that's working pretty good. I'm just upsizing my bit till I get a bigger hole wallowed out. I'm going to see how big I can make that hole right there without damaging the thermostat inside. Alright, that's working pretty good. When I got to this size, it actually started spinning. It started moving out. See, it's starting to lift up. So I think I'll go to the next size up, and I believe this stuck will come right out. Matter of fact, it's coming out right now. One more bit. Alright, that did it. I believe it's going to come out. There it is. It's out, and I've damaged the thermostat in there. I got to try to get it out now. Put a new thermostat. There it is. Thermostat removed. Now I grab me a new thermostat and a gasket. Put it back together. Here's the new thermostat. Drop her in. Here's a new gasket. Drop in the new thermostat cover. I'll tap her in and put the bolts on it. So I had trouble making it fit, so I cleaned this up real good and then got inside here and cleaned up. There was a lot of water damage done inside that thing, and now when I slip the thermostat cover on, she goes right down in, all the way good. So I'm gonna give her a good paint job, slip my new thermostat in with the seal, and bolt this in and show you the finished product. Hey, and voila! I got that white thermostat cover painted, a matching color, got a new gasket. Got it all looking good. Looking good. That's how you repair a stuck thermostat cover. So these are the kind of obstacles that you come across when you do these restoration works that can ruin the whole project. If I would have damaged that trying to pull that out, it would have made the whole power head bad and had to be replaced. So that's a good example. It always helps to have a good set of drills and bits and chisels and punches and tools to be able to do that kind of job. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bons temps rouler.